How's it going, folks? Today I'm going to use a little 3-in-1 RV rubber seal conditioner to treat the seals on the slide. Want to make sure those stay in good shape. I'll go ahead and wipe the excess off. I have to clean the outside of my slide anyway. But basically I'm just going to hit the seal. Oh, I realized I lost you there. And I can get all the way up to the top with the can. Now I'll hit the seal on this side. Okay, now up above here, I'm going to hit the top part a little bit better. And then get this half. Alright, so I'm on the other side. I'm going to get the top half of the seal again, and then get the top part of the seal here, and really get it where it meets the roof to get some of the lubricant up underneath the slide. Alright, so only after I completed the video did I realize, when I was checking to make sure the slide closed the way I wanted it, that there's a seal right here. So I'm gonna hit that seal. Now we'll get this other side of the seal. I need to get that pine needle off that's up there. Sorry if the camera work is a little janky now. I put my Steadicam gimbal away, and now I'm gonna head up and get the top of the seal. And while I'm at it, I'm going to get the seal of the door all the way up and around. I'll get the inside of that seal as well. Alright, so now I'm inside the trailer, and I'm going to spray the inside of the seal. And getting a little bit of overspray, but that's okay. I need to clean in here anyway. I'm going to make sure that I get the whole seal top to bottom, and then along the top as well on the inside here. So I have some high performance lubricant here. This is Equal-i-zer sway control hitch lube, and I'm going to use it on this bar here and in these teeth, and that'll keep all of this stuff nice and lubed. Alright, so I ended up just running it across that gear strip right there, and then I put a bead on top of this, and I'm just gonna work this in along the shaft as nature intended, and then I'll run the slide in and out a couple of times, and we'll work the lubrication into the system. Better wash my hands before I do that though, because the wife would not be entertained by the greasy button. Alright, now we'll bring the slide in and out a couple of times. I gotta wipe the extra seal conditioner off the walls. You'll have to excuse my projection screen on the bed. Instead of putting a TV in here, I made that screen so we can run a projector inside the RV, and that also allows us to hook that to the end of a picnic table to do projections on the picnic table. Like, a little shocked that I can notice, but there is actually a difference in how the slide sounds going in and out. Alright folks, thanks much for joining me. I'm gonna pull this halfway in, wipe the wall down. Nothing too interested. Comment, like, subscribe, participate. Always remember to share. Do the stuff that keeps us on the air. Follow us everywhere. And we'll see you next time.